I'm ready to start on this house. It took a dumpster, almost 2 dumpsters, to clear out the yard and the 2 portable buildings. Here we go. Lots of good humor. Interesting things we'll show you that we found, which is a shame that there was anything any good at all left behind, because for some reason we got a lot of hydrogen peroxide. This is like the 7th, 8th bottle. So thought it was just a mailbox, but no, it's a mailbox with cups and such. For some reason it's heavy. About a small rolling pin. No, it's just a heavy mailbox. It's broken. Should probably be fixed, but I don't have motive, so I'm not gonna fix it. And I want to take this outside door off, because it'll have a tendency to get broken, and it's in good shape. Just need to fix the wood around it. This is a KitchenAid. This is quite expensive. I'm going to grab that. It's dirty, but it's very expensive. And this is what goes to it. That goes to it.
Alrighty.